This is part 3 of the APL-Imms tool demo. This time, we actually get to use the tool and populate it with the data that we've generated in part 2 of the tutorial. The first step is to open up the APL-Imms tool, which is in fact an Excel file. Simply just double-click the file. You will probably get a message saying you are in protected view and to be careful. Just click the button at the end of the warning that says Enable Editing. You could then get another message saying, Security warning, external data connections have been disabled. You should click the button at the end that says Enable Content. This is the main page of the tool. The first step of populating the APL-Imms tool with the data is to locate the CSV search output file that we generated in tutorial 2. If you are using old data by mistake, at this point the tool will tell you and you should go back, run the search on EMIS and export it before proceeding. But most likely the tool will tell you that it's happy, it has no problems, and so you can press the close button. So now we have populated the tool. Let's have a closer look at the front page of the tool. You can see that it's made up of 4 main features. A filter panel with various features you can focus on, a table containing explanations of the different warnings or flags you can get, a colour-coded legend for the different flags that appear on the patient list, and underneath this is the list of actual patients. Here, I'm using pseudo-anonymised data that was randomly selected from a CCG, and to which we added randomly generated names. I'm now going to illustrate the filter function. One of the most important features when using the filter section is the filtered patient count. This changes according to filter selected. So let's see the patients we have that are over 4 weeks overdue a vaccination. You can see that the count has dropped. Now see what happens when you add in an MMR filter. And these are additive filters. If I add a third filter, the total number of patients demonstrated gets even smaller. Not all filters behave in the same way. That is, not all of the filters are additive. The age filters are exclusive. But please do keep an eye on your filter patient numbers to make sure that the selections you make are in line with what you're trying to make the filters do. Now let us look at one more feature of the APL-Imms tool, the patient info page. So when you click on a patient name, the APL-Imms tool will take you to a summary page for that patient. The summary page captures all the relevant information for that particular patient. It also uses a coloured flag system, which will help to give rapid visual feedback on the vaccination status of the patient. The date recorded and the child's age at event is also recorded.
On the right-hand side, there is a list of quick links to information, including vaccine schedules and ingredients, foreign vaccination schedules, and to support your conversations with parents.
If you need to return to the main page, you can click the back button located on top of the useful links. In the final video, you will see how we can put all of this together and use the APL-Imms tool to export a patient list that can be used to prioritise patients for their vaccination appointments.